Invermark House is a stunning modern residence located in Cape Town, South Africa. Designed by Gilbert Colyn in 1969 and elegantly updated by SAOTA in 2015, this home perfectly blends classic modernist architecture with the demands of contemporary living. Nestled in the lush suburb of Higgevale, Invermark House stands proudly below the iconic Table Mountain, offering breathtaking views of Cape Town's cityscape and harbor. With a rich history, this house has been honored with the prestigious commendation from the Cape Institute for Architecture, CIfA, for its significant contribution to the field of architecture. Originally built in 1969, this house was designed by Gilbert Colyn as his personal residence. It drew inspiration from two iconic modernist masterpieces, Philip Johnson's 1949 Glass House and Mies van der Rohe's 1951 Farnsworth House. However, by the time it was purchased by architect Stefan Antoni, director of SAOTA, in 2013, the house had undergone numerous inappropriate alterations that detracted from its original character. SAOTA meticulously restored the house to its original state while enhancing its functionality to meet modern living standards. Their efforts not only saved the house from potential demolition, but also revitalized the modernist aesthetic that made it so remarkable. Significant changes were made to both the interior and exterior to create a better and more functional flow. Walls and partitions in the living area, kitchen, master bedroom, and bathrooms were removed to facilitate a more open and seamless design. On the exterior, the swimming pool was relocated from the darker mountain-facing side to the sunnier street-facing side, with sea views, ensuring greater privacy from the road. The former pool area was transformed into a family garden, featuring lush green lawns, a row of elderflower trees, and a new linear water feature. These updates harmonize the living experience with the surrounding landscape. The redesign preserved the key elements of Colyn's original vision. In fact, when Gilbert Colyn visited the house after the renovation, he expressed his admiration for the updates. With modern materials, thoughtfully placed furniture by ARRCC, decorative elements by OKHA, and collaboration with various professionals, Invermark House stands as a prime example of respecting architectural heritage while adapting to modern needs. Invermark House is a testament to the enduring power of great architecture. By blending classic inspiration with contemporary innovation, SAOTA has created a home that is not only visually stunning but also functional and relevant for today's lifestyle.